What's up, what's up, what's up? Hey, I'm Coach Carolyn, and today I'm gonna make a tortilla soup. I almost said chicken tortilla soup because that's what I used to order at a restaurant. This recipe has no meat in it. This soup is going to be very flavorful. If you're gonna have guests, trust me, this soup does not disappoint. You are going to love it. And I wanna give credit where credit's due because I found the recipe in the Food Babe cookbook. I'm going to post a link below, so if you're going to get this book, consider using my link, please, because that helps a girl out. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with our celery, carrots, and onion, just like we would with any other vegetable-based soup. We've got our garlic, and I love this tool. I got this from Pampered Chef many years ago, but it so easily removes the skin of the garlic. And we've got a couple of cloves there. And then as you can see, I basically cut up all of my carrots and onion and celery, and then we're gonna crush the garlic. Now we're ready to get that all cooked up. We want to bring out the flavors of our vegetables and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I like to saute these on high heat and then turn it down, but we're going to do this for 10 minutes. And so we're going to put all these yummy veggies into the pot. I don't know what technique you use to do this, but you can see I kind of lose a few there. Hey, messy cooks are the best cooks, right? Let's just get it cooked up, eat, and then clean up afterwards. And stir that up really nice. Get those veggies nice and soft, and the onions will be translucent. And again, that's about 10 minutes for that. Now we're gonna add our lentils, but we want to give them a good rinse. And I use the filtered water for that, and then I kind of stir them around and then put the water on them again. Add your lentils to the pot along with your veggie broth, 2 containers of that. These 2 brands are great, they're both organic. Add your strained tomatoes along with the broth. The recipe calls for 14 ounces. It's okay if you measure it out, or if you just add the whole jar, it doesn't matter. So you've got all of your liquid there with your lentils and your veggies. We're going to give it a great big stir. Add half a teaspoon of the coriander and cumin and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And hey, if you have a recipe where you use coriander, post in the comments below. Let me know what recipe that is. We added 1/4 cup of cilantro, and we're going to let this simmer for 25 minutes. First we're going to bring it up to a boil and then turn it down. And again, it came out of Food Babe's book, so the link is below for you to get this great cookbook. I've done the research for you on authentic sprouted corn tortillas. Only 4 ingredients. The least amount of ingredients, the better. We're going to take one of these tortillas and we're going to cut it up into strips or squares, however you like. And then we're going to place this at the bottom of the bowl. While your soup is still simmering, you can think about what you're going to put on the top. I decided to throw some sourdough bread in the oven with some white cheese on top. Alright, it's time to put some of that delicious soup on top of your tortilla. By having this tortilla, it adds another level of flavor. It is so good. I love to put cilantro on top of mine. What are some of the things that you like to put on top of your tortilla soup? Let me know in the comments below. I know some suggestions would be like a dollop of sour cream, avocados. I love putting avocados on top. Cilantro is definitely a must, and in this case, of course, I put the little cheesy Crustini on there for a little bit of visual effect. But let me know what you like to put. Maybe a jalapeno or something. But anyway, I also paired it with a lime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and Happy New Year!